Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we're going to be taking a look at DisplayPort adapters. This is the Mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter. It features a Mini DisplayPort Male on one side and a DisplayPort Female on the other side. The adapter can be used to quickly change the connection type of a DisplayPort cable into a Mini DisplayPort cable. Just to make sure there isn't any confusion, DisplayPort connectors resemble an HDMI connector, but DisplayPort has a squared off side, where HDMI has two angled sides. And Mini DisplayPort connectors can often be confused with USB connectors, the closest being USB Type B. But the Mini DisplayPort connectors have a slightly different form factor and are a bit smaller. The adapter supports resolutions up to 1080p and is a simple plug-and-play solution. The Mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter is a quick and easy solution for your video needs. If you still have any questions, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.